What is up, guys? So I still have my September glove box that's not opened up, and I'm actually really excited to open it, and I wasn't slacking. Even though September is pretty much over, I'm still very excited on opening this up. I was extremely busy we had a bunch of trips planned. We ended up finally getting our Jeep JL replacement through the whole FCA fiasco, if you guys watched any of that stuff for me. We also ended up picking up a third Wave Runner. I don't know if you can see it in the background, but as we needed a third one, so we ended up getting another one. And actually Brad, one of the founders of GloveBox, ended up texting me and asking me what did I think about the GloveBox, and I was like, dude, I'm opening up tomorrow. Well, it's been a couple of days since tomorrow. I still haven't had a chance, so here it is. I'm still excited, and I still really don't know what's in it, so I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so here we go. I got it all sliced open and ready to roll. And what do we got? We got the awesome note that I always get. Let's see what it says. David, glad to hear you are getting a new Jeep. This glove box will have the perfect solution to keep your products together neatly when you hit the trails. Brad and Jason. Well, alright, let's check it out. Let's see what we got in here. Ready? 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 Bam! Ooh. Alright, we got our glove box sticker. And then Detail Matters bag. I like this. This is nice. This is definitely cool, I gotta say. Oh, look at this. It's got a microfiber built into it. That's awesome. That's like perfect on the go. And it's a nice suede bag. All right, we got a bag in here. Bag inside the bag. Let's see what our products are. Detail Guys waterless wash. Cool, this is good. This actually fits the theme with the bag. It smells pretty good. Cool, so we have a waterless wash, and then we have Detailing Mad Cow, get your wax on. Minted mineral glass cleaner. Of course I have to smell it. What does it smell like? It smells like mint. It smells good. So we'll see what it does on the glass. All right, what else do we have in this bag? We have the Creature Edgeless Towel. I love the rag company. Honestly, I feel like the glove box has honestly turned me on to the rag company, and I don't really want any other microfibers besides the rag company. These guys are great at what they do, and I follow them on Instagram, and so I've used a lot of these now that I got through GloveBox, and I'm in love. And this looks like it has two different lengths on both sides. This is kind of nice. Feels good too. All right, what else is in the bag? And then last but not least, looks like, is this a waffle towel? It's probably for the glass cleaner. All right, so we do have the Mad Cow Minted Mineral Glass Cleaner. You'll be singing, I can see clearly now the haze is gone. That's funny. And then Auto Fiber Waffle Weave Towel, which is this, that's for the glass. And then we have the Detail Guys Waterless Wash and the Rag Company Creature Edgeless 7030 Dual Microfiber Towel. And then we also have the new completely awesome GloveBox Detail Matters swag bag. I'm in love with the bag. Okay, so usually this is what happens when I'm going somewhere like, let's say, freshly washed truck or Jeep or whatever, and I get out there, I usually need to do touch-ups no matter what, and I throw stuff like this, like the samples from previous glove boxes, the Jax Wax interior cleaner and the quick detailer, and a microfiber right in the glove box just to keep it in there, or if we're taking a trip or whatever, get a bird crap all over your window, that always helps. This is great. So this is the perfect way to keep everything together, and another beautiful GloveBox. Not only that, like I'll even, like for example, like when you have sunglasses or whatever, you reach in the glove box and it's awesome to have like a glass cleaner or whatever to clean up your glasses, because you know, like the little microfibers for glasses, like this stuff does not do justice whatsoever. So I've been subscribing to GloveBox since day one, and from the very first GloveBox, and I gotta say, every month I'm pleasantly surprised. Thanks for the swag bag that's going right into my GloveBox. And if you haven't checked out GloveBox yet, make sure you go to gloveboxdetail.com and use the coupon code Mohawk and check them out. Maybe you'll subscribe. And please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll get the next one out on time, I promise.